Hi, in this video, I will explain you the functionality of add self as a signer feature. So for that, let's start uploading the document. As you scroll down to recipients and message section, you could see add self as a signer checkbox. If you enable it, you will see the platform user details will automatically populated in the one of the recipient section. So this means whatever the email address used to create your e-signature module account will be represented here as a signer. If you want to keep yourself as the first recipient, you can leave it as it is, or if you want to move it to the second or third recipient, you have to enable set signing order and drag it to the bottom. If you add yourself as a signer, you will become one of the recipients, and when a document is sent out, you will also will have an option to update the document while the document is in the process of signing. So let's say that I'm adding another user. I want to send out this document to test user with this email address, right? And I have set the signing order. However, I want it to be the second recipient. Let's make sure that your share contract is enabled such that both the recipients will have access to the same document. Let's say that the test user wants to update the title and also the company, and choose yourself, add a field such that you can type in as a you have approved, and if you want you can add a signature as well. Let's call it as a HR signature. So the flow is this: the test user will be updating two of the fields. After updating the couple of fields, the self as a signer recipient, which is yourself, you will get an email with the updated fields from the test user. I can demonstrate you this when I get the email. So now let's send the document. Please ensure that you are assigning owners to the field. Though you are the platform user, in this case you have added yourself as a recipient, so the module treats you as a recipient. Even though you are a platform user, you have to choose the field here, field owner as signer. So the document is sent. Let me go to the email. Yes, we have received the email here. The fields assigned to the test user are available here for the test user to update. I have received the link to download the document. So here we are. So the test user updates are available as tested in test company. The platform user has updated it as a recipient. The signature as a recipient is also updated. The document can be downloaded by clicking on the download button. I hope this video clarifies how to use self as a signer. Thank you.